Our conditions remaining bullish in this bull market, sitting at a bull market a rank of 25.5. That's this upper line right here, very well extended into this overall uptrend that we've had now really for the last several years. And really in the last a few weeks, we've also seen a really nice bounce up into these levels, but this is where we're sitting. This is that indicator here, sitting up in that 25 range. Really anything above 15 is quite elevated. We are seeing momentum in that bullish trend location, also seeing breadth continuing to hold right there. So really nice bullish structure as far as trend and momentum areas, not extreme. Currently we are extreme on sentiment, which we are most of the time in an uptrend. It'll stay pretty sharply towards the upper end of that range. We do have a little bit of divergence, which we've talked about before. Divergence being this indicator moving lower as pricing is moving higher. That may be an indication that there are some sellers starting to jump in here at these levels. We are seeing buy-sell ratio also pull back a little bit to 2.17. That was at 2.73 yesterday. You can see those two lines coming back together, but we still have green above red. We've got bulls in control. We're also seeing that still on price activity. S&P 500 in that upper momentum range, top end of that range as well, above that 236 location. Now we're above this support area and starting to get some reaction there as of a couple of days ago, a little bit of a bounce, but some indecision bars happening right here. Now that we've got that Fed rate cut, the market's looking for what's going to be the next catalyst to move things higher. Sectors, we also saw a little bit of well, we didn't see much change, actually, really no change. We've got the three that are in that hold range. The rest are in buy and uptrend locations. Also seeing commodities. Gold is still continuing that real historic uptrend, extreme to the upside now. We'll watch to see if we get any kind of retracement, pulling back. Now we've got this as essentially as the playground, 233, where we can allow for some volatility for that trend to do something like that and then ultimately continue. And if it breaks down below that level, that would be an area where a possible trend shift could start to be happening here. That's on GLD. Also seeing silver in that momentum zone, sitting up in that area. And also USO, a little bit of weakness yesterday. It's still in that downtrend. It's now running into some of these resistance areas and has a significant amount of resistance inside of these areas that broke down through that. Watch to see if we get any follow through on USO. We are seeing in the muscle stocks group, we've got a couple of nice-looking names in here. ZIM, which is the transportation shipping space, good confirmation bar back into the momentum area and increasing volume. Solid confirmation bar up 11% yesterday. And then a little bit deeper down here in the list, we've got AV, which is an interesting stock in the aerospace defense area. Had a really nice uptrend if we go out to that 1 year time frame, and a massive move from 122 all the way up to 214. Pretty big retracement. It's working its way back up into momentum as well. Keep an eye on AV. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.